share it. Matulits.
Hello, sound check. Hello, sound check. Test. Hello. Okay, requesting all players, please proceed. First one.
Padurok mo kasi pa lang. Wala namang kapalit.
Okay. Hello, sound check. Double within jersey number 72 and jersey number 17. Alright, first possession natin goes to the group 7. Now the Sky Amara. Basket on the first shot. And Mr. Gian Corpus. Now Bautista, jersey number 1. Madulong-dulong na rin sa sapatos mo eh. Baski, madulong-dulong na rin sa sapatos mo. Now Cortez. Pass on Enriquez. Jersey number 29 in control. Pass on Bundoy. Now, Bundoy drives, speed. Block, number 32, Mr. Cura. Pass on Lapus. Jersey number 8, stop. Lars from downtown, they did. Rebound on Mr. Paolo Corpus. Now pass on Enriquez. Now on Mr. Ryan. Pass on the Sky Amara. Back-to-back 2 points. Now Bautista. Now looking for Stimmy, pass on number 72. Now it's a steal by Mr. Paolo. Pass on Cortez. Basket on Mr. Bundoy. Now 6-0 run para sa ating Group 7. Now underneath Lapus. Jersey number 8, bars off the glass, basket, 6-2. Now the Sky Amara. Pass on Romel Enriquez. Now Enriquez looking for sweep, pass on Ryan for the long 2, no good. Rebound on Mr. Ops, hindi nagkaintindihan doon. Yung dalawang nakapula. Now Ryan Pascual. Pass Corpus. Now another Corpus. But blocked. Rebound to commit on jersey number 72, Mr. Cura. Now 2 shots to the Sky Amara. Pwede tayo dun sa una. First row basket on the Sky Amara. Second row, 6 points now. So Mr. Sky Amara, Gian Corpus, now number 1. Now jersey number 1, Bautista. Pass on Lapus, now hesitates. On the 18-foot line, no good. Now rebound by Jerry Hico, basket. On jersey number 81. Right? Emo buring kaya Carlos. Now number 1 from downtown again. Now number 81, Mr. J. Hinko. Now pass on number 7. Now body basket on jersey number 7. Now number 29, Enriquez. Cortez. Pass on Robert. Now the Skyamara. Underneath basket on the Skyamara. Now number 1 Bautista. Pass on number 72. Now Kura. No good. Lapus. Basket on jersey number 8. Now Enriquez. Now looking for Steve. Pass on Paolo. Now on Gian. Papus bars. No good. Rebound on Lapus. Jersey number 8 to say 2 against 1. Now Lapus. Silo play. J. No good. Ball top. Now Paolo Corpus in control. Number 17 pass. Now bars. Basket. Napaganda pa yung pass ha. Kasi basket contents. Foul committed on jersey number 72. Say second personal foul and second team foul on jersey number 72. Hinahinay lang sa foul. Plus, dahil ligo malang kayo. Now, miscommunication pa dun sa part na yun. On substitution.
Pascual.
Cortez out. Pascual out. Padio and Santos checks in. Now Mr. J. Pass on Gian. Once again from downtown 3 on the Skyamara. Right? Look what I mean MVP there. Now number 1 Bautista. Looking for Stevie. Pass on J. Now from downtown siya naman kaso umalog lang. Kasi nagigit on Mr. Lapus. Para bola pa rin. At sa pushing foul goal on jersey number 7. Exactly 5 minutes to play. Now, the Skyamara. Also steal. Now number 8, Lapus. Drives. Basket on Mr. Lapus. 4 minutes and 40 seconds on the game clock. 15-10 our official score. Now Mr. Enriquez. Now Robert. High low play on Paolo. No good. But there's a foul ball. It's a foul to get on jersey number 81. Mr. J. Hinkle. It's a first personal foul and warning for penalty. Now inbounding by the Skyamara. Pass on J. Fars. No good. Rebound on number 72. Push it hard. Now number 8, Lapus. Pass on JP. Lays. No good. Di kumapit yung Pentos. Masyadong mababa. Pero nandun si Mr. Lapus para burahin yung kalat na binigay ni Mr. J. Now the Skyamara on the other hand. Pass. Oh.
Sayang yan. Mo yan, naninista mo. Diyan, naninista mo. Yeteng.
Number 1, Bautista. Pass on number 72, Kura. Now Kura, drop pass. Ferrer. Daddy Rudder. Now Corpus, number 17, Mr. Paolo. Basket on the CC, 2 points. The broader communication. Now number 1. Pass on number 7, Mr. Gotti. Now Mr. J. Hinko on the 15-foot line basket.
Stop ka, Bert, ne? Right pa.
Exactly 3 minutes to play. Out to the middle. The Skyamara. Back on the point guard, Mr. Romel Enriquez. Now shot clock down to 10 seconds. Now from downtown, David. Rebound on number 7, Mr. Gotti. Pass on Bautista, it's a 3 against nothing. Now Lapus lays basket. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Now the Skyamara. Mr. Gian behind the back. Spin. Fars basket. Timeout! Fructos. Okay, remaining time natin is 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Back to the bogey. Now Lapus. Pass to number 1, Bautista. Now here comes Bautista, drop pass. Yeah. Same basketball sa last touch on Mr. Rodriguez. Now number 7 to do. Drops inside. Number 1 tips it to all. Di pa pumasa. Now number. Now Rodriguez number 29. Pass on Jay. Oh, down again. Now number 1. Mr. Bautista, pass on Jay Hincock. Now Pura, number 72, Morris Luger, rebound on Mr. Jay Hincock. The basket, now number 72, Holloway, basket on jersey number 72. Now number 23, Mr. Amara, basket on jersey number 23. Now number 81, Mr. World Peace, that's the basket. A Pinya pang foul, basket count tayo na foul, big goal on jersey number 21. Official score, 20-21. First row basket on Mr. J. Hincock. Fifteen seconds. Now Rodriguez. Now from downtown. Take it. Lay down. Now Sky Amara. Losing the leather. Take back the ball. Subdivision. Santos out. Obang takes lead. Now the Sky Amara. High play to Kalpang. Masyadong mababa. Oh, block behind. But foul. Kasi foul to commit ng jersey number 7. Mr. Body. First row, no good. Second throw, no good. Now 30 seconds on the game clock. Mr. J. Hincock. Now drives. Nice basket. Inawi pa yung buhok ni Mr. J. Basket count tayo and the foul will be called on jersey number 18. Exactly 24 seconds on the game clock. Now basket. Now 20 seconds on the game clock. Seconds. Down to 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's the end of the first quarter. Back to the ball game. Red basketball down. Converting start of possession goes to the white shirts, cream shirts rather. Now Bautista. Again, rebounder number 23 Amara. Bullet pass. Now Mr. Bundoy Cortez basket on Mr. Bundoy. Now number 1, Mr. Bautista. Now looking for City. Pass on number 8, Lapus. Now Lapus creating some space. Now fires, no good. Rebound on number 17, Mr. Pascual. Now bullet pass, bang on Cortez. Basket on Mr. Bundoy. Back-to-back 2 points. Now Bautista. Now Lapus. Lapus drives. Basket on Mr. Lapus. Up, out of bounds by alright, basketball. Now number 1, Mr. Bautista. Cross. Now, the world peace. Reverse. Kumagat yun. Isang right move para Mr. J. Hinko. Now Kalbang. Cross it out. Amara from downtown. No good. Rebound now on Mr. J. Hinko. Now bullet pass, Lapus. Drives, pass, Bautista underneath. But foul, kumagat dun sa feet si Mr. Kalbang. The safe foul to committed on Mr. Kalbang, jersey number 20. First down again. Second throw. Basket. Substitution Rodriguez out. Number 11 Cortez. Pass on the right side. Paolo Corpus. Oh, what a rebound on jersey number 81. Mr. World Peace. Now J. Hinko. Oh, basket. Hammers the break on jersey number 81. Now Cortez. Bundoy. On the 15. Good drop. Good rebound now. On jersey number 11 Cortez. Now pass. The Sky Amara. But he trips to the line for a few shots. He gets a foul. It's a foul to commit on jersey number 72. It's a third personal foul on you. And first team foul. First row, very good. Basket. Down number 1, Bautista. Now pass to number 8. Lapus from downtown. They're good for this 14 points. Now number 1, Bautista. Slice. They're good. Rebound. Oh, Daddy, they're good. Gonna make pushing foul. So pushing foul to commit on jersey number 23. Say first personal foul on this Sayamara. And second team foul. Now bounce pass. J. Hinko in traffic. Pass on Lapus. Oops, it's a kickball violation. Now number 17, Paolo Corpus.
Kalbang.
Now fires. The good. Rebound on number 7. Rebound.
Kalbang.
Substitution.
Kalbang.
Kalbang out. Rodriguez checks in. Now number 29, Enriquez. Now pass on the sky. Saktong-sakto yung pasa. Kaya ganun na lang. It's a foul basket on jersey number 23 and a foul called on jersey number 7. Pushing foul. It's a third personal foul on your jersey number 7. Bonus shot. Basket on the Sky Amara. It's a foul call. Foul to committed on jersey number 11, Mr. Cortez. Substitution. Sino? Mr. Cortez out. Now number 1. Pass the number 72. Now good. Lapis good. Rebound. Oh, Mr. J. Hinka. Now number 17, Mr. Paolo Corpus Pino. Ano bang sayo? Nandun pa yung intention sa laruan, kaso yung speed dahil sa katandaan. Dahil kung di na nalalaman, isa super senior. Kaya yung galawan nandiyan pa yung intention. Pero yung execution medyo nahihirapan na. Now number 8, Fars. Just a 2! 14 points. Out along 2. He got 13 points. Now number 8, Mr. Lapus. Now jersey number 8 in control. Now Fars. Block. Foul. It's a foul. Foul will be committed on jersey number 29. It's a first personal foul and warning for penalty. Substitution na, sorry na. Corpus out. The Sky Amara. Pago checks in. Basket on the first throw. Second throw. Gomez. Split shot. Exactly 4 minutes to play. Now Makatuna. Pass on number 23. Now Ryan Pascual. Out of bounds. 28 to 34, Visual score, 28. 28 pa lang yan. Now number 1. Pass on number 7, no, it's a traveling violation. Now time out. Red shirts. Back to the bogey. Now high Tyler Clay. Now the mile in the million. What's that? Ano tawag na rep? It's offensive foul called. And there's the number 14. Mr. Makatuna. Now number 81, Mr. G. Hingo. Now number 1, Bautista. Pass to number 7 to do. Now number 1, here comes Mr. Makatuna, the man in the million. Now Paula basket on Corpus. Now Bautista. Pass to number 72, Mr. Cura. Now pass to number 18, number 8, Lapus. Harassing, now Lapus there. Bautista pass. Now Bautista, number pass, number 7, Sutlock down. To 8, Sutlock reset, rebound now. Out of bounds. Jumbo goal tayo.
White ball, white.
Ang next arrow possession natin goes to the red shirts. Now Enriquez. Pass on Pascual. Now back on Rommel. Now Enriquez. Pass. Now loose. Jay Hinko picks it up. Now he pass. Lapus. Oh! Nabitawan ni Mr. Lapus. Now number 17, Mr. Paula. Pass. Now. Foul. It's a fourth personal foul on jersey number 72. And 13th foul. Oh, masyado pong maaga para din sa fourth personal foul. First serve, basket on jersey number 19, Mr. Pascual. Up. Paris siya. Official score natin. 31 na, 31 to 34. Now number 81, Mr. World Peace. Pass on Lapus. Harassing on Mr. Lord Makatuna. It's a complete steal. Now here comes Mr. Paulo Corpus. For an easy 2, 34 to 33. Now number 7. One minute and 35 seconds. Now number 81. Pass on number 1, Bautista. Now drops. Cura basket on jersey number 72.
Score 36-33 lamang laro yung Purok 2.
Now Rommel Enriquez. Now pass. The man in a million basket. Now Mr. World Peace. Exactly 1 minute to play. Now pass on Lapus. Now from downtown for 16 points, no good. Now propose ito na yung ating team. From 7, unti-unti nang nakakalamang.
Okay. Hurry up pa ako pa. Time out kami kayo, Batman. Wala na kayo time out?
Now number 81. That's the basket. May kasama pang foul. Basket count tayo na foul will be called. On jersey number 17. No good. Now 39 seconds. Now Enriquez drops. So number seal. Now here comes Bautista pass. Now number 81 on the runs from Mr. J. Hinkoff. Big long na tayo sa 24 seconds. Now number 1. The man in a million. Basket. Okay, 15 seconds on the game clock. Down to 10 seconds line. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's the end of the first half. 42 to 39, our official score.
Line mode. Bluetooth mode.
Halftime.
Carry mode carry. Bluetooth committed.
Samahan mo ako sa mga pagsubok patungo sa moon. Mata parang nakasuon, lutang na parang balon. Kaya katahimik ang nagos ng tulong sa aming lagun. Mapapakabong, maganda rin mo. Ang pauso sa roon. Samahan mo ako sa mga pagsubok patungo sa moon. Mata parang nakasuon, lutang na parang balon. Kaya katahimik ang nagos ng tulong sa aming lagun. Mapapakabong.
Proctor basketball time. Ang next na possession natin goes to Brook 7. Down number 1. Pass and lapos from downtown 2. Nagkapanimula naman ang 3-point jump para sa ating Team San Juan Red Shirts Springfield basketball. Okay. He got 17 big points para kay Mr. Lapus. Now, that's Kaya Mahara. Losing the letter. Out of bounds. Sino basketball na?
Itang fans. Ito man ginabi ko yung itang fans. Kaya kabitan ito.
Now number 18, Mr. Parker. Pass on Mr. Little shot. The big shot. Now number 72. Now number 8. Five, best second, Mr. Lapus. Pinararo yung depensa para kay Mr. Lapus. Now Jay. Pass to number 11. Now number 14, Makaturo. Pass step from the... Now Mr. World Peace, pass to number 72, now Tura. Pass to Lapus. Oh, ball top behind on the set. Makatura, now the Skyman. Pass on the... Oh, but there's a foul on there. The foul to commit on jersey number 81. The second personal foul and first team foul. First row, basket. Second row, basket to out two. Now number 81, Mr. J. Hingo. Now number 81. Mr. World Peace. Now number 18, Mr. Moises basket on Mr. Chipaga. Now number 1, Bautista. Now, isolation. He got basket on version number 81. Okay, out of bounds a late ball. Inbound violation. So, the dililipat yung ating bola dun sa front court ng kabila. So 14 seconds sa subdivision. Pagyo out. The big shot. Now number 81.
Kita pakai ko ang tingnan ng puto mo.
Pass on the apples from downtown. Very good.
Open. Open siya.
Basket time.
Yellow.
Ang basket ng the yellow back. Now number 1. Pass on number 72, Mr. Cura. Now pass on number 81, Mr. World Peace. Father rejects. Now number 21, bullet pass. Mr. Pugoy, basket on Cortez. Now Lapis. Now on Bautista. Now jersey number 1 in control, harassing on Mr. Cortez. Pass on Cura. Now number 72. Pass on number 1. Bautista slice. The foul. And so foul will be committed on jersey number 14, Makatula. It's a second personal foul, a new and first team foul. It's a foul on the ground, foul on the ground. Foul on the ground. Now Mr. World Peace, pass to number 72. Now Doggy from downtown to two. On jersey number 7. Ayaw niyo pang nililabas, ha? 3-point set naman yung resulta. It's a foul on the ground on jersey number 8. It's a first personal foul on Mr. Lopez at second team foul.
Kaya ka mo kulang na.
Mag-video ka pala tol eh.
Wow.
Sayamana from downtown 2 on Mr. Ian Corpus. 52 to 15. Now number 81, Mr. Raul Peace. Once again, ball top. Now number 11. Oh, yung pito dyan, yung pito dyan. Huwag yung ipito, ha? Now number 72. 52 all. Now Mr. World Peace. They foul before the shot. They foul in the ground. Injury time on time.
Ating memo lang do.
Bro?
Memo lang do.
Sino yung nagbato?
Wala.
They foul. On jersey number. Sino si foul on rep? Sorry. Rep sino si foul?
Iwan pare ah.
Number 21, okay.
Sa baba pa ito.
Say foul on the ground pa tayo. Say second personal foul, jersey number 21. Now, Claudio, troubling violation.
Bas. Yan dili yata. Yan dili.
Oh, yang di.
Now, Romel
Ilang
Rodriguez.
pagdilay kayo?
Pass on Rodriguez. Now, Copa. Drops. Now, the man in a million. Good. Rebound on number 21. Enriquez on the field. Basket change. Rebound na tayo. 52 to 54. Now, number 1, Bautista. Kicks it out. Now, Lapus. From downtown. Good. It's a holding foul called on Mr. Calpan on jersey number 20. Say second personal foul on 13 foul. Now number 72, Mr. Cura. Now looking for Stimmy pass. Now Mr. Gadi lays basket on Mr. Gadi. Now Mr. Rose Peace on the steal. It's a 2 against 1 basket. So they Harvey on Mr. J.D. Now Calpan drops it off. Hindi kumagat yung Pectus now. Mr. JV, number 81, it's a 2 against 3. JV, Comaster! Time out!
Kap, ako dito may panel.
District 7. Official score natin is official time natin is 3:58. Okay, back to the ball game.
Isang bit yun rin. Maybe ko naman yung gamano.
Official score natin is 54-58. Now from downtown, no good on this guy, Amara. Now good tie done. Now number 14, no good. Now rebound on number 72. Pass on number 8, Lapis. I would say 3 against 2. Number, oh, what the pass! Down, oh, it's a miss. Out of bounds. That's not singing basketball.
Bakit ka ba?
Masabi mo?
Now Mr. Gotti now playing. Say foul. Foul before the pass. Say foul to commit the person number 20, Mr. Calpara.
Sana dahil wala
Say for personal foul and substitution. Substitution. I'll bang up.
Maganda ka lang din sana na tuliga ka sana.
Double pistol. Pass on number 72, Mr. Kura. Now Kura, far, no good. Too strong. Now Ronald Lafat. Ronald Rodriguez brother. Now number 8, come on the steal. Now Jay Hinkle. Iser, far, no good on the shortstop. Pass, basket. For jersey number 72. There's the foul, they called on Senator. 29. Okay. Now number 14, pass from the sky, Amara gets the basket. Nagkasama pang foul. Kasi foul pinamit ng jersey number 8.
Hey, click on.
A basket foul on the sky, Amara. 28 seconds. Now 20 seconds. Shablat down to 14. Shablat down to 10, but there's a foul goal. There's a foul to commit on jersey number 17.
Ano din?
Red penalty. Penalty. 13 seconds on the game clock. It's a second personal foul on you, Mr. Corpus. Personal basket on jersey number 8. 13 seconds. Basket. Now 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the end of the third quarter, official score is 59-62.
Rewind tayo photo. Rewind kayo photo. Rewind kayo photo.
Long sound check.
Ibo ko yung assess na. Dami. Hindi daw.
Oo, masuslit. Hindi ka.
Now number 17 for Cruz. Fourth and final quarter.
Di ba yung naranggay?
Oo, di maluto.
Sino?
Seti.
Ano maluto?
Now number 23. Now number 1. Now Bautista.
Grabe si Russo eh. Tango.
Now pass on number 8. Now Lapis. Since a traveling violation.
Pang tayo buko.
Paano niya kaya na?
Tama tayo.
Now number 17 for Cruz. Pass on 3 and fars basket on jersey number 23.
Ano?
Now number 7. Number 8 grabber. Lapis on the other hand. Plays. No good. Rebound number 1. Basket on Mr. Bautista.
Baka may yan. Ito may turo niya libutan.
Now number 17 for Cruz. Drives now. Cortez bars basket on jersey number 11. Now Bautista, jersey number 1.
Naman.
Passing on Mr. Romel Enriquez. Now ball top. Shot clock down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2. On Mr. Lapis. Now, number 17, number 14 gutter. Out of bounds. Now number 29, Enriquez. Now looking for Simi pass on Enriquez Calamara. Now Cruz. Number 14 underneath Madrid. Ball top, Paula. Another top, lose control. Wins by the red shirts. Now Bautista spinning. Now pass, came in, caught forward by the second pass. Hit it. Now rebound on jersey number 8. And they foul. They lock in. They foul to the middle of jersey number 14. Timeout! Red shirts. Yan, biglang na yan. Biglang naubusan ng hangin yung ating red shirts. Kaya, napipilitan kumuha ng timeout. At least naman, parang lang makapagpahinga. Kahit konti man lang yung ating red shirts. Remaining time natin 7 and 47.
Okay, pilan niya po? 7.
Now back to the ball game. Now, number 81, Nugget. Now, Paula Corpus lays basket on Mr. Paula. Now, number 1, Mr. Bautista. Oh, look at the letter. Now he passed to Skymara. Basket on jersey number 23. Then blocked by off 67. Now number 14, Makatuna lays. There you go. Now Mr. Lapus. Goodbye dyan. Now number 8. Lapis bar. Third down sa mga lakas ng King Hinko. Underneath basket on jersey number 81. Now, number 29, Enriquez from downtown 2. Yes, it's Romel Enriquez. Kingsley Mortayo, 69 to 70. Now number 81. Mr. J. Hinko. Good tie dyan. Now Mr. J. Shot lock. Down to 14. Now Lapus. Drives. Basket on Mr. Lapus. The man of the night. It's a double foul. It's a double foul called on jersey number 8. Mr. Lapus. And foul will be called on jersey number 14, Makatuno. Foul on jersey number 14. Okay, it's a warning on jersey number 14 and third personal foul on jersey number 8. Now number 17, Corpus. Now Paula, passing Mr. Gia, underneath. Basket. Sino yung pumipito? Sino yung pumipito? Sino po yung pumipito? Now number 1. Cruz, now Paula, good pass, now the Skyamara. Drives, underneath, basket on Mr. Gillen. Timeout, Red Shirts. Napakiusap lang po dun sa mga bata, please wag lang pakipito. Official time natin, 5 and 25. Isang second, dalawang third, at isang fourth. Okay, 5 and 25. Now number 8, Mr. Lapus. How far is no good. Out of bounds.
Basketball. Na. Malbe kayo mo.
Now 71 to 71. Number 11, Cortez. Now down. Corpus, Paula. Pass under the Lord. Now, here comes the Skyamara. Gillian. On the Skyamara. Now number 81. Now Mr. J. Hinko. Good pass. Now Cortez plays. Hits the basket. May kasama bang foul. Basket count tayo ng foul. Be called on jersey number 7. Okay, jersey number 7. Warning to you. They're there. 79 to 71. Now number 81. Pass. Now number 8 from downtown again. Now Mr. Makatuna. Pass on Mr. Corpus. Now on Enriquez. 4 minutes and 5 seconds on the game clock. Now Mr. Enriquez. Pass. Now the Skyamara from downtown 3. that's a long two, long two. That's a long two. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Now number 81. Now number 81, but the foul called. So foul be committed on jersey number 23. Time out. From 7.
Pwede ba?
3 minutes and 52 seconds. Next game natin, be ready. Junior Division. 70 versus Brook 1. Now back to the ball game.
81-71. Purok 7.
First row, they're good. Second row, they're good. Now Mr. Roman Enriquez. Now once again they are mounting the clock, 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Now high-low play. Okay. Now here comes Mr. J. Hinko, 71 to 81. Lapis lays basket on Mr. Lapis.
Joy, harap.
Nugget, out of bounds. Still, down number 1. Bautista pass on J. Hinko, block. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Now number 72. Fars, block. At around seeing basketball, we see 9 seconds on the shot clock. Tama po yan. Now Lapus, basket on Mr. Lapus. 3 minutes exactly to play. The foul will be committed on jersey number 8, Mr. Lapus. Okay, you see 4 personal foul on jersey number 8, Mr. Lapus. And 13 foul. Now number 29. Enriquez. Pass on the ball. Now Makatuno. Sides. Nakaping wet ng foul. Kasi foul will be called on jersey number 1, Mr. Bautista. Kasi first personal foul and warning for penalty. Tama po yan, tama po yan. First row, basket on jersey number 14. The remaining time natin is 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Second throw, basket. Now number 1, Bautista. Crashing on Mr. Roman Espada. Enriquez brother. Now Mr. J, masyadong malakas. Pero ka. Jump ball. Okay, next arrow possession natin goes to the Red Shirts. Now number 11. Mr. Bundoy Cortez. Now 2 minutes and 20 seconds shot clock. Down to 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. It's a 2 on the Skyamata. 86 to 75. 86 to 75. Now from downtown again. Now we are entering the twilight zone. Last 2 minutes. Now, Mr. Roman Rodriguez. Pass on number 17, Mr. Paolo Torpuz. Pass on the Money Million. Good. Rebound on Jay Hinko. Pass on Lapus. Now here comes Lapus. Step back from downtown. So two. And there's number 8. 1 minute and 32 seconds.
132.
Now Torpuz. It's a steal. Now Bautista. Pass on Jay Hinko. Now, Nugget. Gets the basket. May kasama pang foul. Basket count tayo ng foul dito on jersey number 29. Timeout. 7. (80-86) official score. 80-86. 80 to 86. 80 to 86. 80 to TO. 80 to 86. Okay. Back to the ball game. Samasan mo kasi ito. One minute and 15 seconds on the game clock. Again. Now secures by Mr. Skylar. Now the man in the million. Now Mr. Lardy Batuda. Pass on Roman Rodriguez. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Shot clock at 14 seconds. Now here comes Mr. Makatuna. That's good. Now Makatuna swings underneath. That's good. Timeout, timeout, timeout. Timeout. Red shirts.
Kung buzzer balik.
Okay, back to the ball game. Red shirts in the timeout. Red shirts. 14 ball 24. Oh, 14. 56 seconds on the game clock. Now Mr. J. Hinko, 55 seconds. Now Hinko. Drive, lays, basket on J. Hinko. 48 seconds. 82, 88.
10 seconds, night. Pass.
Now 40 seconds. Shot clock at 14 seconds. Now the Sky Amada. Shot clock down. Out of bounds style, kickball violation, reset. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 31 seconds from the game clock. Now the Sky Amada. Loose, shot clock down, 2-8. 7 shot clock reset. Underneath, basket on Mr. Makatuna. Game clock na tayo, 23 seconds.
Paano?
(22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Okay, congratulations. Group 7 basketball and courtesy naman siyempre sa ating team sa Red Shirts. Nakatikit sila for the rest of the game. Nagkulangan lang dun sa bandang fourth quarter dahil sa kapagalan. Partida, dalawa lang yung kumakana dun sa Red Shirts. Courtesy to the Red Shirts and congratulations.